Or if you're a mom looking to make some extra income while you're homeschooling your kids, let me show you what's possible. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you my site. It's eLifeBOSS.com, and I got some free resources for you to check out. And what I highly recommend is affiliate marketing, just because you don't have to own any product of your own. And this is the best way. When you go on my resources page, go through this 7 steps to freedom. It's completely free. You'll have free access. Just click on learn more about 7 steps, and it'll take you to a page where you create a new account. So I'm going to click on it, learn more about 7 steps. It'll take you to this page right here. What you want to do is click get started. And once you click get started, it'll take you to fill out, just start with free. If if you don't have to go any level, start with free, go through 7 steps to freedom. You're gonna love it. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. Go to eLifeBOSS.com and you will discover what the possibilities are of creating your own online side business with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to be right here to help you, to support you. So let's connect on Facebook. I'll definitely link my profile in the description below, so that way we can connect. And I look forward to connecting with you and building our businesses together. So God bless and stay awesome.